Good morning, class. How are you? Students, today I am here to present with audio lecture. Students, today I will start with new topic relation between zeros and its coefficients of cubic polynomial. Students, in last lecture we discussed about quadratic polynomial and relation between the zeros and its coefficient. Students, in today's lecture, firstly we have to suppose let alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of cubic polynomial. The degree of cubic polynomial is what? 3. So there are 3 zeros for cubic polynomial. So gents, firstly we let alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of cubic polynomial, and then uh, we have to suppose the equation of cubic polynomial px equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t, where a is not equal to 0. Students, if a is equals to 0, then uh, coefficient of x cube is 0, and if coefficient of x cube is 0, then it is not a cubic polynomial. So for cubic polynomial, it must be a not equals to 0. Students, firstly we see the relation between its coefficient and the zeros. So if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a. What? Minus b by a. That is the coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube, और उसके आगे हमने लगा दिया माइनस की साइन. Students, the sum of product of the zeros, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, equals to c by a, that is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, and the product of zeros alpha beta gamma equals to minus d by a, that is minus times constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Now students, if you have given the sum of zeros, sum of product of zeros and the product of zeros, and you have to find the equation of cubic polynomial. So see the point I wrote on the board, point, a cubic polynomial whose zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. Then what is the formula for finding the cubic polynomial? So x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta gamma into x minus alpha beta gamma. So students, first we see the first question, like example, verify that 2 minus 3 and 4 are the zeros of cubic polynomial, and the polynomial is given x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Also verify the relation between the zeros and its coefficient. So firstly we have to verify these zeros are the zeros of this cubic polynomial. So for students in class 9th, you already solve these type of questions to verify the whether any values is zeros of any polynomial or not. So firstly we put the value of x first equals to 2, then equals to minus 3, and then equals to 4. So students, if we put x equals to 2, then we see that we get p2 equals to 0, and if we put the value of x equals to minus 3, we also see that the p minus 3 equals to 0. On solving you get 0, and p4 is also equals to 0. If you get 0, then it is verified that the given values 2 minus 3 and 4 are the zeros of cubic polynomial, given cubic polynomial. So students, first is verified. Now second, we have to find the relationship between zeros and its coefficient. So see that students, Firstly, we suppose that let alpha equals to 2, beta equals to minus 3 and gamma equals to 4. So you know alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus times coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Firstly, we solve the alpha plus beta plus gamma, like alpha equals to 2, beta equals to minus 3 and gamma equals to 4. So on solving you get 3, and on putting in coefficient of x square and coefficient of x cube, you also get 3. So 3 equals to 3, that is sum is verified. एंड सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज, अब सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट के लिए स्टूडेंट्स आप देख रहे हो कि मैंने अल्फा और बीटा का पहले मल्टीप्लाई करा है. सो 2 - 3 जब -6, देखो पहला टर्म -6 है. बीटा इंटू गामा दैट इज -3 इंटू 4 -12 एंड 4 इंटू 2 8. जो आप इसको आप सॉल्व किए यू गेट -10. और राइट साइड में हमने कोफिशिएंट का रिलेशन लिखा, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x क्यूब, यही होता है सम ऑफ जीरोस, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. सो इसको भी आपने सॉल्व किया पॉलिनोमियल के हेल्प से, तो आप पाए -10. और ऐसे ही स्टूडेंट्स अल्फा बीटा गामा आपने निकाला तो भी आपको क्या मिला सॉल्व करने पे 24 एंड 24, -24 एंड -24. इस तरीके से हमने जीरोस को भी वेरीफाई कर दिया और जीरोस और कोफिशिएंट्स को भी वेरीफाई कर दिया, उनके रिलेशंस को, और जीरोस को भी देख लिया कि वो पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस हैं या नहीं है. सो स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्टली यू नोट डाउन एंड आफ्टर नोट डाउन वी सी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that is division lemma. So note down students.